So we have different size of tables you can see here. So the speciality of these tables, so it's very unique and just a one of a kind. We can't make the same table again. So this is just only the table, but each tables are it's very unique. So you can see the shapes and the designs. So it's very special here. It's one of the fast moving product in a factory, and mostly we are using teak wood. Teak wood roots are the best one. The durability wise is good, and so we can use such a tables and all, oval shaped table, rectangular table, glasses and all we can use for such a tables and you can see this thing, and this is we use teak wood. The teak wood is very popular in Sri Lanka and it has very nice grains. And other speciality on this, it's all traditional design. So even you can see the leg part and all, it's all handcrafted. And so this workmanship and all, it passed down by generation to generation. So these people and all, working people and all, they passed down for a long time those designs. So you can see this tool, it's all made from rosewood, and rosewood is very special wood and it's very rare to get, and those tools we use some inlaid works. So these inlaid works we use copper, so it's a copper inlay, and we have another tool made from teak wood, and it has a bone inlay. So it's all a traditional design. So we just recreate those designs and all. So it's very special, and it's not very easy to make those kind of things. It's take very long time to make. A lot of intricate works and all, and the tools can dismantle even those tools. So this part can foldable, so it's easy to carry. Another ground floor here. So downstairs we have more elephant collections and traditional mask collection and handicraft items you can see on downstairs, and here we have mask and some small handicraft items and jewelry boxes and furnitures, lots of furniture, different type of furnitures you can see on this floor. So you can just take a look, then we can go to downstairs.